is our question number 1. Gx equals to x square plus 5. Find the value of GA. This is first part of the question. GA plus 1. This is second part of the question. And GA plus 1. GA minus 1. Third part of the question. Now coming on first part of the question, Gx equals to x square plus 5. We are replacing x by a in this expression. A equals to a square plus 5. So this is our first part of the question. Now coming on second part of the question. G A plus 1 equals to a plus 1 whole square plus 5. Now we are expanding this bracket by the formula a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Therefore, G A plus 1 will be a square plus 2a plus 1 plus 5, a square plus 2a plus 6. This is our second part of the question. Now coming on third part of the question. G A plus 1 minus G A minus 1. So first of all we are finding the value of G A minus 1. G A minus 1 equals to a minus 1 whole square plus 5. Now we expanding this formula by the same formula, this one, G A minus 1 equals to a square minus 2a plus 1 plus 5. Sign will be different because here it was plus sign and here it is minus sign, so that is why we will write here minus. So when we will do simplification, a minus 1 will be a square minus 2a, 1 plus 5 is 6. After this, we are substituting the values. G A plus 1 minus G A minus 1 equals to G A plus 1 equals to a square plus 2a plus 6 minus G A minus 1 equals to a square minus 2a plus 6. When we remove bracket from here, so it would be a square plus 2a plus 6 minus a square minus plus 2a minus 6 plus minus 6 plus 6 will cancel out. A square minus a square plus cancel out. So we have 2a plus 2a, 4a. This is our answer of third part of the question in terms of A. Second question is fx equals to 1 upon 2 x bracket x plus 1. Evaluate the following. First part of the question f1, second part of the question f2, third part of the question f3, fourth part of the question f x minus 1, fifth part of the question f5 minus f4, sixth part of the question f7 minus f6, seventh part of the question f x plus 1, eighth part of the question f x minus f x minus 1, and ninth part of the question f x square. So we are coming on first part of the question, that is f1. So we are replacing the value of x by 1 in this equation. So first part of the question will be our fx equals to 1 upon 2 x bracket x plus 1. When we are replacing the value of x by 1 here, so it would be f1 will be 1 upon 2 into 1 plus 1, that is f1 is equals to 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2, 2 to 2 will cancel out, we have 1. So this is the answer of first part of the question. Now coming to second part of the question. That is f2. So we are writing f2 equals to 1 upon 2. In place of x we are substituting 2. So it would be 2 plus 1. And now 2 to 2 will cancel out. So we have f2 is equals to 2 plus 1 is 3. This is second part of the question. Now coming on f3. So f3 will be 1 upon 2 into 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 upon 2 into 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 1 the 2 to the and 2 3 the 6. This is third part of the question, that is f3. Now we are coming on fourth part of the question, that is fx minus 1. So we have f x minus 1 equals to 1 upon 2 x minus 1 plus 1. So plus minus 1 plus 1 will cancel out, and we do have x minus 1 equals to 1 upon 2 x left here, and this is our second bracket, that is x minus 1. So this is our fourth part of the question. Now coming on fifth part of the question, that is f5 minus f4. So now we are substituting the value of 5 in place of x, 1 upon 2 into 5 plus 1. So this is 1 upon 2 into 5 into 6. 6 divided by 2, 2 3 the 6, 6 5, 3 5 the 15. So f5 is 15. Now we are finding the value of f4. So f4 will be 1 upon 2 into 4 plus 1, 1 upon 2 into 4 into 5, 2 1 the 2 to the, so 2 5 the 10. This is our f4. Now substituting the value of f5 and f4 here. So therefore f5 minus f4 will be, f5 is 15, f4 is 10, 15 minus 10 is 5. This is the answer of our fifth part of the question. Now we will find the value of f7 and f6. Our next part is sixth part. Part number 6. f6 we are finding first 1 upon 2 into 6 into 6 plus 1. 2 ones are 2 threes are, so 3 into 7, that is 21. The value of f6 is 21. Now we are finding f7. f7 equals to 1 upon 2 into 7 into 7 plus 1. 1 upon 2 into 7 into 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are 7 fours are 28. So this is the value of f7. Now we are substituting the value of f7 and f6 in this equation. f7 minus f6 equals to, the value of f7 is 28, the value of f6 is 21. 28 minus 21, that is 7. This is the answer of our sixth part of the question.
Now we are coming on seventh part of the question, that is f(x plus 1).
As you know, fx equals to 1 upon 2 x into x plus 1. If you replace x by x plus 1, therefore this expression will be x plus 1 equals to 1 upon 2 into x plus 1 into x plus 1 plus 1. And now we have x plus 1, 1 upon 2, x plus 1, and this would be x plus 2. This is the answer of our
seventh part of the question, that is x plus 1. Now we are coming on eighth part of the question, that is fx minus 1. We are finding fx minus 1 right now. 1 upon 2 x minus 1, x minus 1 plus 1. So plus 1 to minus 1 will cancel out, and we do have x minus 1 equals to 1 upon 2 x into x minus 1. After this we are substituting the value of fx and f minus x minus 1. So our answer will be fx minus fx minus 1 equals to, the value of fx is, fx equals to 1 upon 2 x into x plus 1 minus the value of fx minus 1 equals to 1 upon 2 x into x minus 1. Now look at here, half x is common from bottoms. 1 upon 2 x we are taking common, so we have x plus 1 here and minus x minus plus 1. So minus x2 plus x will cancel out, and our answer will be 1 upon 2 x into 1 plus 1, 2 to 2 will cancel out, so x left. This is the answer of fx minus fx minus 1. Now we are coming on the last part of the question.
We are replacing the value of x by x square. So it would be x square equals to 1 upon 2 x square into x square plus 1, and we can write 1 upon 2 x square into x square, x4, and x square into 1 x square. We can write this one also, and we can write this one also. Both answers will be right. Question number 3 is fx equals to x square minus 5x plus 4. First part of the question, express h2a minus ha in terms of a. First part of the question, h2a minus ha in terms of a. Second part of the question, find the values of a for which ha equals to 0. Find the value of a for which ha equals to 0. Second part of the question. Now we are coming on third part of the question. Express h a square plus ha in terms of a. Now we are coming on first part of the question, that is, first part of the question is h2a minus ha in terms of a. So first of all, we are finding the value of ha first. We are replacing x by a in this equation. So therefore, ha will be a square minus 5a plus 4. This is the value of ha here. Now we are finding the value of h2a. So h2a will be 2a whole square minus 5 into 2a plus 4. So we have, when we will do simplification, 2 square is 4, a square is a square, 5 to the 10, a plus 4. Now substituting the values of h2a and ha in this expression. So h2a minus ha equals to, value of h2a is this one, 4a square minus 10a plus 4 minus value of ha equals to a square minus 5a plus 4. Now we are removing bracket over here. So 4a square minus 10a plus 4 minus a square minus minus plus 5a minus 4. So minus 4 to plus 4 will cancel out. 4a square minus a square, 3a square minus 10a as it is. So this is the answer of first part of the question, h2a minus ha. Now we are coming on the second part of the question. Find the values of a when ha equals to 0. ha equals to 0. So for this purpose, first of all, we are writing the value of ha. ha equals to a square minus 5a plus 4. And as you know that the value of ha is 0, we are replacing here. 0 equals to a square minus 5a plus 4. And we can write this a square minus 5a plus 4. Now we will make factors of this equation. 4 1s are 4, both will be of minus. So a square minus 4a minus a plus 4 equals to 0. Common from these two terms and common from these two terms. So when we take common from these two terms, a minus 4 left and minus 1, a minus 4 equals to 0, and common bracket is a minus 4, a minus 1 equals to 0. And now we can write a minus 4 equals to 0. So value of a will be 4. And when a minus 1 equals to 0, so value of a will be 1. So these are the values of a equals to 1 and a is equals to 4 when ha equals to 0. Now we are coming on third part of the question. Find the value of ha square plus ha in terms of a. ha, we have a square minus 5a plus 4, and now we are replacing a by a square, so it would be a square equals to a square by square minus 5 into a square plus 4. So ha square equals to, when you have powers of power will multiply each other, so it would be 2 to the 4 minus 5a square plus 4. And now we are substituting the value of ha and ha square in this expression. Therefore ha square plus ha equals to a4 minus 5a square plus 4 plus a square minus 5a plus 4. So when you will do simplification, power a4 as it is, 5a square as it is, minus 5a as it is, 4 plus 4 is 8. So this is the answer of expression ha square plus ha in terms of a. Now we are coming on question number 4. Given that function gx equals to mx plus c. First condition is g1 equals to 5, and second condition is g5 equals to minus 4. Find the values of m and c first, and then find the value of g3 and g4. So now coming on our question. Gx given you, that is gx equals to mx plus c. Now we are substituting the value of 1 in place of x in this expression. So g1 equals to m into 1 plus c. The value of g1 is 5, so we are writing here 5 equals to m plus c. And from here we can find the value of c here, so it would be 5 minus m. M we are shifting to this side, so it would be 5 minus m. After this, we are substituting the value of 5 in place of x. So it would be g5 equals to m5 plus c. And now we have g5 is minus 4. So we are writing minus 4 equals to 5 into m, 5m plus c. And in place of c, we are writing the value of 5 minus m here. So 5 minus 4 equals to 5 m plus c. In place of c, we are writing 5 minus m. So 5 minus m. 5 is plus here, shifting to this side would be minus. Minus 4 minus 5. 5m minus m, we have 4m. 4m equals to minus 9, m equals to minus 9 upon 4. This is the value of m. Now we will find the value of c. So for this purpose, we will substitute the value of m here in this equation. Therefore, c equals to 5 minus m. The value of m is minus 9 upon 4. minus minus plus 5 upon 1 minus minus plus 9 upon 4. So we have 4 in denominator here. So we are multiplying here by 4 in both numerator and denominator. So C will be 4 5s are 20 upon 4 plus 9 upon 4, and our answer will be 29 upon 4, or we can write 7 whole 2 upon 4. This is our first part of the question. Find the values of M and C we have done. Now we are coming to find the value of G3 and G4. So we are substituting values of M and C in this equation. So our expression will be Gx equals to M. The value of M is minus 9 upon 4. So we are writing minus 9 upon 4 plus C. C is 29 upon 4. We have written 29 upon 4. And we are to calculate G3 equals to minus 9 upon 4 into 3 plus 29 upon 4. Now, when you will take the LCM here, we are taking LCM. Minus 9 3 the 27 plus 29. 29 minus 27, 2 upon 4. And when we will do simplification, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So answer will be 1 upon 2. This is the value of G3. And now we are coming on G4. G4 equals to minus 9 upon 4 multiplied by 4 plus 29 upon 4. Now LCM is same. Minus 9 into 4 minus 36 plus 29. Then you will do subtraction, 36 minus 29. So you will get 7 with minus sign. So our answer will be this one. Or we can write minus 1 whole 3 upon 4. This is our final answer.